It just rains like this every week.
You just what?
It rains like this every week.
Every week.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but it didn't rain like this last week.
Right. It ain't raining.
It didn't rain yesterday, but now it's raining now.
Oh, yeah, it's raining now. You're absolutely right.
Because I can tell by the partly cloudy, that means it's about to rain.
Can your storm catcher idea work on you getting to the bus?
Yeah.
On time. That is.
What you say, John? Now, me gonna stop to get you every day. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna stop to get you.
I know it was 1:39, but I usually get out.
Yeah, but they Saturday night, they gonna rain. And evening time.
They said it's supposed to be today.
Huh?
They talk like your wind is supposed to be bad.
Yeah, that's what they talking about. Them little houses look like 3 little kids. They might get blown down.
It's raining.
Don't say no to TV.
I'm apparently wet.
You just see it. If you can survive that wind, you'll see it in the air. You know your kid for being on that thing.
Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, guys.
A few moments later.
It's literally raining. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna run this rain. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's raining. Oh my gosh. Why is there so many leaves everywhere? Every time. Oh my gosh. It's really raining.
Please stand by. Please be patient and fix this process. It's raining.
It's raining. Literally.
You don't pull your phone out as soon as you
No, I didn't.
were talking about the punishment.
Huh?
You were talking about the punishment for using your phone as soon as they're taking it. You can't get it back for a while. If they give it back to you, now this kind of stuff, they can't be pulling it up.
I didn't pull it out today. Not today. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's storm catching. Bye-bye.